ในช่วงถัดไปกับการบรรยายในหัวข้อ Japan No.1 AI-OCR comes to Thailand DX2 to support your digital transformation บรรยายโดยคุณชิโอริโซมา Vice President of Global Sales Unit บริษัท AI Insight บรรยายเป็นภาษาอังกฤษพร้อมคำแปลภาษาไทย Next, we would like to welcome Ms. Shiori Soma, Vice President of Global Sales Unit of AI Insight, to speak on topic Japan No.1 AI-OCR come to Thailand, DX2 to support your digital transformation. The webinar will be conducted in English with subtitle in Thai. Please welcome Ms. Shiori Soma.
Hello everyone, thank you very much for taking your time for us today. This is Shiori Soma and I am leading the global sales team in AI Insight. AI Insight is a Japanese AI company based in Tokyo, and we have been focusing on image recognition field among AI. Today, I will introduce the #1 AI OCR in Japan. I think there is a trend of digital transformation in Thailand, and I'm sure most of you are interested in some form of business efficiency. You can hear many types of digital transformation method in this event, but in my seminar, let me make a proposal of digitization of your document. In a short, it is a simple and effective AI solution that anyone in the office can use. Here are some success stories of how much our customers have improved their business efficiency. But before jumping there, let me introduce a little bit about OCR, AI OCR, for those who are not familiar with it. So let's say you have a large number of documents like this, and you need to enter the data into the system. Usually, some group of your employee in a company take their precious time to enter the data into the system, like this. But AI OCR is a way to let AI do the data entry work that does not have to be done by human. And our service uses the AI for digitizing text, like this. So this is the outline of AI OCR. I will show you the demo later so that you can have more concrete image of AI OCR. Okay, so let me go back to customer success story. The business operations which AI OCR is used for are very different from customer to customer. Since our OCR is not form specific, it can be used for any kind of document. So please look at the reduced working hours on the right. In the world, there are still a lot of companies who are testing AI, but not actually incorporating it into their daily business operations. On the other hand, our customers have already built up the record of reducing working hours like this. How much time you can actually save depends on some factors, such as your current workflow, or how much time you are spending right now, or what kind of document you have. But at least our customers here have succeeded in reducing their working hours by more than 80%, 90%, or 99%. This is a huge digital transformation effect, we think. So what is our solution like? What is the solution that has contributed to more than 90% reduction of working hours? Let's take a look at our service, which is called DX2. Do you have any problems like this in your office? There are too many papers and PDF documents in your business operations, and it takes too much time and human resources as well to enter and check the data. You are starting to use RPA, but you cannot automate the whole process because of paper documents. I tried to use OCR in the past, but the accuracy was not enough, or the configuration was too difficult, so I could not use it. If you have experienced any of these problems, please try DX2 once. So what makes DX2 better than other OCR? Let me show you 3 key points here. First, you can use highly accurate AI immediately from today without any pre-learning. Second, our AI will keep growing in a rapid cycle. Third, it is really easy for everyone can use. So let's look at them one by one. This is the first one. So when you think of AI, maybe the accuracy is the first thing that comes to your mind, but we are pretty confident about our AI's accuracy. Actually, we asked some Thai-based customer to compare our AI-OCR engine with the Thai local OCR engine. And our accuracy was higher than theirs. To be honest, we are a little bit surprised about this because we are a Japanese company. But if you're interested, you can still compare our engine to others. Another point here is that you can start using the AI with this accuracy right now. So no pre-learning or no pre-tuning is required. So you can just log into DX2 and start using the latest AI from today. There's only handwriting images here, but of course we can recognize printed characters as well. So even though you only have printed document in your office, don't worry about that. You can still use DX2. So because I said we're pretty confident about the accuracy, and then our accuracy is high enough already, some of you might thought this AI is not growing anymore. But of course, this is not true. Our AI will continue to grow in a fast cycle. This cycle will make our AI smarter and smarter. So the more users use DX2, the more data AI Insight can gain for AI training. And our AI engineers utilize these data and develop higher quality of AI. And we can keep providing the greater experience, user experiences. Since we develop our own engine, we have been able to keep controlling the AI training. For the Thai recognition AI, we have been working with our Thai customers to collect data and improve the accuracy. So when you actually process your document in DX2, and if you have any requests in terms of accuracy, we can use your data to develop the AI together. This is one of the huge difference between us and the global major OCR engine. DX2 has been used by many customers in Japan, and we continue to get the #1 market share. There are various points that are highly evaluated by our customers, but one of them is naturally the AI accuracy. I mentioned that we are confident about the accuracy. This is because we have repeatedly made some improvements, such as remodeling the architecture of the deep learning, data collection, or data cleansing method after many failures in the early stage of DX2. And the point is that we are fully utilizing these experiences in development of Thai language AI as well. Okay, third point. This is like really easy OCR and everyone can use it. No complicated settings are required. What I want to mention here is that unlike conventional OCR, you can set up template without coding. It is so easy that even our part-timer can set up template in 1 minute. You will see it in the demo soon. And another problem. So one of the problems that you will probably face while using OCR is these images that are not straight. Maybe your scanned image are sometimes upside down or mixed up with some photos. That happens a lot. Do you think it would be difficult to process such an image in OCR? Actually, it was in a conventional OCR. However, DX2 has a feature called automatic tilt correction. So you can upload even the smartphone picture as it is. Let me show you a little bit about this feature. The pink image is a template image that you set up in advance. The black one is a document image that was scanned and uploaded later. As you can see, the black image is trying to match the direction of the pink template image. The automatic tilt correction is supported by this technology. This function is implemented as a standard feature, so you don't have to do any configuration on your part to use it. Okay, I explained 3 key points of why DX2 is selected. 1, highly accurate AI without any pre-learning. 2, rapid growth cycle of our in-house developed AI. 3, easy and user-friendly features. So let me go to demo so that you can have more concrete image of DX2. Okay, this is DX2. So when you log into DX2, you will see this simple UI. And there are only 3 steps when you use DX2. The first one is to set a template. So let's go here. Here is where you specify, you set a template. So here, basically you will specify where you want to recognize, like this, like this, like this. So you specify where you want to recognize like this. Okay, and then let's see. If you want to recognize this account number field as well, what you have to do is click once and click twice. Only 2 clicks are required. So with a conventional OCR, you needed to make a programming for setting a template. So non-IT people could not start using OCR without any help of like IT team or OCR vendors. But with DX2, as you can see, there are only 2 clicks required to set a template. So non-IT people can start using DX2 by their own. This is really important thing. And it takes only 2 or 3 minutes to set a template for this page. Okay, so once you complete setting a template, you will just save this. And you can use this template as many times as you like. Okay, the second step is to upload the actual document. So I prepared some sample document here. So let's check one by one together. The first one here. This is the scanned image with handwriting characters. The second one, this is also scanned image, but as you can see, this is not straight. Third picture, this is a picture, smartphone picture that I took. I took this from a verb. So you can see the top part and the bottom part are missing. Fourth one, this is also the smartphone picture. I took this from front side of this paper. And the same, the left side and right side here are missing. So I will just upload these 4 pictures to DX2. Okay. I actually am uploading the document manually, but we actually have API. So you can call API and automate this uploading process as well. Okay, so the third step is to check the AI result. Here is where you can check the OCR result. On the left, you will see the original document. On the right, you will see the part image, and then this is the AI recognition result. So you will compare these 2, and then if everything is right, you will just press enter. If something is wrong, you will correct in here. Okay, so let's check the AI result together. I will just zoom up. This number is fine. This Thai language is okay too. This, like this. Okay, the first page is done already. This is the second page. Do you remember the second one? It was a scanned image, but it was not straight. But as you can see, the automatic tilt correction function worked, and then DX2 can capture where you want to recognize. Okay, let's check the data together. Even blue character can be recognized correct. Okay. If you're a native speaker of Thai, maybe you can check like faster. So the process will be faster than this. I'm showing you because it's a demo. Okay, the third one. This is the smartphone picture, do you remember? The smartphone picture that I took from above. So the top part and the bottom part were missing. But again, the automatic tip correction worked well, and then it can capture this. Okay. Okay, the last one, the fourth picture. Again, it is a smartphone picture. I took this picture from the front side. So there are missing part like this. But here, it can capture well. Okay. Okay, so we have done checking all the data of AI results. So once you're done, you will go back to the front page and you can download CSV from here if you want to. And then you will just send the CSV to the next system. This is what DX2 can do. I show you the demo in our sample, but if you have your actual document, we are happy to show you a demo with your document so that you can see how much DX2 can capture your document. Okay, let me go back to the presentation. I will introduce one customer story here. They are DX promotion team of Jonan Corporation. They have mission of expanding digital transformation in their company. And they started using DX2 for data entry of purchase order forms. The way they use DX2 is really simple. The target forms are order forms of the Jonan's product, and they receive 5,000 documents annually. They used to have multiple people to input and also to check the data. But after they started using DX2, they let AI read all the forms, and human employees only do check and correct the data. This allowed them to reduce 84% of data entry work of this document, which is a huge impact. I think one of the success secret of Jonan was the idea of speeding up the process of verification and getting the result, even if they're small at first. When you hear the word DX and AI, some people might think there's no point in doing something unless we know it's 100% effective. But Jonan Corporation's idea was, let's start anyway, even though the results are small at first. And this idea led to the first success. Now they are expanding the DX2 usage scope since they know it's effective already. They tested DX2 through a trial program, and not only did they evaluate the high accuracy, but also the fact that system can be run by the people in the operation unit. The people who actually input the data do not have a high level of IT literacy, but Jonan Corporation judged that it was easy enough for them to use and decided to start using DX2. Okay, so I have introduced a lot about DX2 so far, and now do you want to try it? We actually have prepared a trial program called Success Program. So let me introduce this at last. This is 1 month trial program of DX2 But it is not just we will, give you a DX2 account so that you can try it out. But also we assign a dedicated consultant to support you and make your trial successful. The consultant will give you a lecture of how to use DX2, of course. And also we will set the regular meeting and you can ask any question at any time. Most of our customers move to success program before going to the subscription. So my suggestion here today for you is that let's start with the success program if you're interested in our OCR. If you're interested in trying out the success program or want to take a closer look at DX2 a bit more, please contact us at global@insight.ai. And we actually have a virtual booth today in this event. So you can drop by there. And if you can bring your actual sample, we can have a real-time demo with your sample so that you can see how accurate DX2 can capture your document. Okay, so global@insight.ai, please remember this. Or if you forget, just Google AI Insight Japan and you can contact us there. Thank you so much for taking your time today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in another meeting soon. Thank you.